Ever wondered how to increase your taqwa during Ramadan? Here's a list of 12 practices that can help you enhance your God consciousness. First on the list is to intensify your Salah, or prayer. Consider increasing both the frequency and quality of your prayers, especially during the special nightly prayers like Tarawih. Second, engage in Quranic recitation. Make it a point to read, understand, and reflect upon the Quran regularly. Strive to complete the entire Quran during the month. Third, reflect on your actions. Utilize this sacred period for self-assessment. Seek forgiveness for past mistakes and make sincere intentions to bring positive changes. Fourth, fast with intention. Understand that fasting goes beyond simply abstaining from food. It's about controlling your desires and developing self-discipline. Fifth, be charitable and generous. Actively participate in charitable deeds and contribute to those in need. Ramadan places a high emphasis on generosity. Sixth, seek forgiveness. Regularly ask for Allah's forgiveness and forgive others. Remember, holding grudges can hinder your spiritual growth. Seventh, engage in dhikr, the remembrance of Allah. Frequently praise and glorify Him throughout your day. Eighth, avoid negative influences. Minimize exposure to harmful activities such as gossip, backbiting, and others that can divert your attention from the path of righteousness. Ninth, attend Islamic lectures and classes. These can provide deeper insights into Islam and help strengthen your connection with Allah. 10th, make dua or supplication. Use this sacred time to make sincere and heartfelt prayers. Ask for guidance, forgiveness, and blessings for yourself and others. 11th, develop empathy. Use the experience of fasting to empathize with those who are less fortunate. This can enhance your compassion and understanding. Lastly, establish a routine. Create a structured daily routine that incorporates spiritual activities, work, and rest to ensure a balanced and fulfilling Ramadan. In summary, consistency and sincerity in these practices can foster the development of taqwa, strengthening your connection with Allah and positively impacting your character. Remember, increasing your taqwa during Ramadan is a journey of self-improvement and spiritual growth towards a better you.
Taqwa in Islam refers to a state of consciousness and mindfulness of Allah, emphasizing piety, fear of wrongdoing, and awareness of one's actions. It involves a deep sense of God consciousness, guiding individuals to live a righteous life in accordance with Islamic principles. The objective of cultivating taqwa is to foster a purposeful and mindful life. By constantly being aware of Allah's presence and adhering to ethical conduct, individuals strive to avoid sinful behaviors and cultivate virtuous qualities. Taqwa serves as a moral compass, guiding Muslims to make choices that align with their faith, leading to a fulfilling and purpose-driven existence. From the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, who said, "Fear Allah wherever you are. And follow up a bad deed with a good deed and it will wipe it out, and behave towards the people with a good behavior."
Fear of Allah involves a reverent fear of displeasing Allah, leading individuals to avoid sinful actions and strive for righteousness out of love and awe for the Creator. Awareness of His presence muraqabah implies a constant consciousness of Allah's presence in one's life, recognizing that He is all-seeing and all-knowing, guiding individuals to make decisions aligned with Islamic principles. Mindfulness in actions, tafakkur, refers to a deep reflection and thoughtfulness before engaging in any action, ensuring that one's conduct is in harmony with ethical and moral standards set by Islam. An individual with taqwa, when facing a difficult decision, seeks guidance from Islamic teachings and displays wisdom by choosing the path that aligns with ethical principles and righteousness. A person practicing taqwa remains patient during trials, recognizing that difficulties are part of Allah's plan. They endure with resilience, trusting in His wisdom and maintaining a steadfast attitude through challenges. In moments of success, a person with taqwa remains humble, acknowledging that achievements are ultimately by Allah's grace. They use their success responsibly, giving credit to the Creator and serving others with humility. Individuals with taqwa show kindness and compassion to others. Even in challenging situations, they exemplify the Prophet's teachings by treating people with respect and understanding. Irrespective of circumstances, Taqwa, encompassing fear, awareness, and mindfulness, serves as a comprehensive guide for individuals to navigate challenges with wisdom, patience, and a steadfast commitment to ethical conduct in accordance with Islamic principles.